Hey guys, it's Dan Lilback, Director of Customer Service, Milacron Aftermarket Division. And today we're going to talk about the Milacron Aftermarket website as well as the new ProVision 3D parts catalog. I wanted to take you through a short tutorial there, show you some of the functionality that exists and how we can move forward. So from the Milacron.com website, click on the link for Milacron Aftermarket. It'll take you to the Milacron Aftermarket webpage, and there'll be a login up in the upper right hand corner that you'll click on to log into the Milacron Aftermarket website. So today I'm logging in with a test user logon as we're still in beta, but wanted to show everybody the functionality that exists for the Milacron Aftermarket website and ProVision 3D e-catalog. So we have a link here on the upper right hand side that shows the access to ProVision 3D. The customer will be able to click on that. We'll complete a single sign-on process, so it's a secure sign-on. We'll be passing a token between the Milacron network and the Gen Alpha network, and Gen Alpha is the group that's helping us create the ProVision 3D catalogs. And as we log in here, we log on to the main section of the site, and I've got machines down the left side. I've got any customer information that'll be placed here in the marketing detail, and I've got the current quotes and current orders for the customer. So right off the bat, from a customer perspective, they can search by serial number to look at a specific catalog. They can search by model type, or they can search by the name of their machine. So some customers have different press numbers for their machines. Some customers have specific names. We want them to have the ability there to put their specific customer detail on this section of the site. So as we log in here, we're going to log into this 450-ton machine and show some of the functionality that exists for that. So we've got a picture here of the machine on the front page, and then I can click down and show the different assemblies that are listed underneath that bill of materials for the machine. And I'm going to click here into the base unit and show the layouts that are underneath that base unit. And I'm going to click into the pump motor layout and show that detail as well. So as I log into the pump motor detail, I have a picture here of that pump motor combination. And below that, I have the complete bill of materials for that piece of equipment and that layout on the machine. So I've got the part number, the E1 part number, the legacy part number. I've got a vendor part number, which is stored internally and not accessible to the customer except through search functionality. I've got an engineering description, which is also just an internal detail, and then I've got a commercial description for each part, as well as the quantity that exists on that layout in the bill of material. So as I move through this, I have a complete engineering layout and bill of material just in 2 clicks into the machine. So as I go into 3D mode, I have the ability to view in 3D the layout that we just viewed in the picture form. And as this item loads,